What's up everyone? Good morning and welcome to another video. So today we're walking around our little vegetable garden in our front yard, but we have something exciting to show you. So a couple weeks ago we found these monarch butterfly larvae and we decided to grow them out in our terrarium. They formed into little pupas about 11 or 12 days ago. Unfortunately, one of them didn't finish the metamorphosis. It was on top of this aerial plant, but we had a little bit of rainfall and I forgot to cover the lid. So it looks like it rotted off, the plant died and it wasn't able to develop properly. But look at this beautiful monarch butterfly. It literally just emerged from its pupa about 2 or 3 hours ago. You can still see the small pupa shell hanging next to it. So amazing. So we're gonna give it some time, allow it to rest and recuperate its strength. Then we're gonna release it here in our vegetable garden to help us pollinate our flowers and attract more pollinators. So another cool thing and exciting that I wanted to show you guys. Let me see if I can find them. There it is. So if you can see, right in that little section, it's a small monarch caterpillar. And this one we actually found while we were hiking in the forest. We stumbled upon a wild Asclepia plant, also known as milkweed. And as I was inspecting the leaves, I saw a small larva and decided to bring it home to grow out in our terrarium. One of the best ways to find monarch larvae or butterfly eggs is by growing your own milkweed at home. Milkweeds are extremely easy to grow, but I would recommend doing some research to identify which milkweed or Asclepia varieties are native to your area. So this is where we found the monarch larva. We were out in the forest hiking when we came across this Asclepia plant. So I decided to examine the leaves, and on one of the leaves we found a larva that was probably 2 days old. On the other leaves, it looks like what could have been more butterfly eggs. If you look close enough, you can barely see them on the leaf. So these are some other butterfly larvae we found. These were eating a leaf on the Asclepias we have at home. I was noticing some small holes on the leaves, so I decided to examine underneath them, and wouldn't you know, these little guys had just hatched and were looking for food. So for the new larvae, I decided to keep them in a small box with another Asclepia plant we have, so they could keep eating and growing in size. I also wanted to remodel and redecorate the terrarium, so this gives me plenty of time till then. A butterfly will start off by laying its eggs on the leaves of a plant. Within 3 to 4 days, the butterfly larva will hatch and will begin to grow. In the next 12 to 14 days, the larva will eat as much as possible, growing over 20 times its original size.
Once the caterpillar has had enough to eat, it will form into a pupa and begin its metamorphosis. Eight to 10 days after transforming into a pupa, the butterfly will emerge, living its adult life as a butterfly for 15 to 45 days. What makes the monarch butterfly migration unique and completely one of a kind, it's the distance they have to travel to complete their migration, traveling distances about 4,500 kilometers from Canada to Mexico and back.
Yeah.
Seguir un ratito.
Yeah. Justo creo que me dijiste y justo fue al final del video.
Lo puedo cortar.